Hi friends, welcome to IMO videos, standard 8th, video number 59, comparing quantities, section A, easy. Let's start. The simple interest at x% for x years will be rupees x on a sum of. So what is asked to you basically? On a sum of means principal is asked. Simple interest. Now what is the formula for simple interest? PNR upon 100, right? What is P? P is required. On a sum of means P is required. N is the period for x years. So SI equals to x, N equals to x, and R is given as x%. Now we require P. So formula is x equals to P into x upon 100, right? We are just inputting these values. So 1x gets cancelled and P remains over here and 100 goes on this side, x goes on this side, right? Getting it? See here, 1x getting cancelled, 100 on this side and this x on this side. So it goes in the numerator, 100 goes in the, x goes in the denominator, 100 goes in the numerator. So P equals to 100 upon x. That is the required answer. Next, if 12.5% of 192 equals to 50% of x, then find x. See here, 12.5% of 192 means 12.5 upon 100, percent means 100, of means into 192 equals to 50 again upon 100 into x, of means into. So just solve this now. 100 gets cancelled and 12.5, this becomes what? 12.5 into 192 upon 50, right? Now if you solve this, you will get the answer as 48. Now how to solve this? See this, 2 25s and 2 96s, right? Now 25 ones and 25.5, because 12 5s are 125, 25 5s are 1. To watch the videos further, kindly download Yoguru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.